OPPO Malaysia has scheduled a product launch event on this coming Thursday, 21st of July, launching their newest OPPO Reno series smartphone, the OPPO Reno 8 series, alongside with their first tablet, the OPPO Pad Air. Additional to that, OPPO Malaysia will be unveiling their newest TWS earphone, which is the OPPO Enco Air2 Pro. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and show you the design of the OPPO Enco Air2 Pro. This is not a full review, instead the written review will be available on my website and the link will be in the description box below once the embargo is lifted. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, take care and I'll see you at the next one.